Welcome back to another video. Today we're back in Satisfactory. In this episode, I'm actually gonna edit it, I promise. There'll be, that means we're gonna get a lot more done. I plan on getting, all of the tier 1 for the milestone done, and the first stage of the space elevator done. For all of you who do not know what the space elevator does, you'll figure out as soon as I activate this in this episode. Alright. So I need rods and screws. Okay, I got more than enough rods, but legally actually not. Because I need to make them into screws. Well, enough screws. Right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And be sure to stay tuned and watch every video I bring up or I upload. If you have any suggestions for like playing Fortnite or anything, any other games that you want me to play, put them in the comments down below and let me know. I finished getting all the screws we need. Now we just need rods, and then I have to build them. All the rotors. Also something else I do want to do in this video is, you know those other iron deposits I found like over there and around here? I want to make them into like more of the rods, but I want to make them turn into screws at the same time. So I'll do that after I get all these rows finished. Once I get the rows finished, I can move on to the other things I want to do in this video. So now we got all the rods we need. Now I just have to make the 50 rotors. Then I can combine the reinforced iron plates with the rotors, and I can move on to the next stage of this. I will be back once I have all the rotors I need, and I make all the computer chip things. Okay, well, I'm back, and I'm starting a new research thing. I decided to change my mind because this is taking way too long. I forgot that I had to go through an assembler thing, only 3 done. So, I'm gonna do this next part with everyone. This actually might just be quite short, actually. Yeah, that was quite, this is gonna be quite fast. Alright, and then, oh, I need screws. That might be something that slows us down, but I practically just need this stack here. I don't need any concrete, but I'm gonna need screws. Alright, just making sure I grabbed it. So I'm gonna come here and I'm just gonna do this real quick and quickly make the 300 screws I need. I'll be back once I make all the screws. And got all the screws I need. So moving on in life. Alright, now we have field research.
Milestone reached. The molecular analysis machine,
Might have to wait
referred
2
to as the
minutes.
MAM, will allow R&D to ensure a note.
Okay, that is gonna take some time. And then I'll get field research. Once I get that, Everyone remember the slugs? These slugs, guys? Blue power slug. Apparently I don't have any green. Let me go take a look. Is there any green nearby? So those guys are okay. The reason I'm doing this is because if you make them into a power source, you can actually speed up projects like those that are very slow. They speed up things. Only 10 done, another 40 to go. That's gonna take some time. Does 2 per minute. Any nearby that are green, I need green right now. I don't know if they work for other colors. Don't know. Never did, because I don't think I ever did get any other colors on my other playthrough. Caterium ore. Don't want to jam my inventory. There's one. No, I'm pretty sure the other colored ones are probably more efficient. But we'll figure that out when the time comes. They could all just be the same but different colors. I don't think that's green. I don't think either is any more green. Cause we haven't seen any green and okay, never mind, I know a way to get up. I just have to make a jump. That jump's not gonna be easy. And I'm gonna grab the blue power slug. Is there any green? So I'm scared I'm gonna find something that will kill me quite fast. Or at least something I'll have to retreat from. So I'll have health. Those guys are sometimes a nuisance. Nothing's in the area. Yeah. And jump. Climb down. And head back. Well, looks like I'm not gonna be getting any green power slugs anytime soon, I guess. Ooh, berries. I'm gonna grab some of these. Gonna grab more of this, because you never know when I'm gonna need more battle fuel. But the last time we solved power a while ago, which is quite nice. Haven't had any shutdowns because my power hasn't run out, which is quite nice. Wonder how much more has happened, but it's back, which means one thing. I can't research. Are done. How do I get this research going? Color cartridge? Oh. Where is this one? I just got here. Let's see how to make that. Okay, quite expensive, but I'm gonna quickly build that on camera so everyone can watch. Alright, just one man. Alright, how do I make reinforced plates again? Just need screws like always. Alright, I might need more of this stuff too. Yeah, I'm gonna need one more plate and tons more screws. what a strange thing to do. I know. Not gonna put any of these back. Just to be nice. Gotta make the last of the screws I'm possibly gonna need. And I was clearly wrong. I need a little bit more. Wait, 2, 5. Nope. There's all sorts of things that you can get here. Like I said, gonna finish this, get down this, and that part's done. Now I just need this and that. Good thing I have a whole storage set here. Nope, wrong one. Grabbing some, but not too much. No, I just need to make 15. And done. I can now craft the MAM. Last up saying. I'll throw this right here. Grab some biofuel. You ran out. I'm gonna restore you. Mostly. Restore you entirely, give you a little extra. And that should fix everything. Maybe going to the max. But there, now we have the MAM created. Power slugs. Alright. 3 seconds. Nice. This is completely new.
New recipe unlocked.
Low cost. Overclock
New
reduction.
research available in the MAM.
What is new? Power slug shard. Blue. Okay, looks like we're down to blue. Just gonna quickly make one of these. Huh? What do I just have to... Okay, that's strange. Now, I'm gonna want another one. I want overclocking. So I'll do this off camera. It's quite early in the day. But I'll be back when this is done. Or I get the thing upgrade. Well, I'll be back in a bit. Goodbye. Alright, I'm back and I have gotten overclock ready. So I'm gonna go see if this is done. Almost, but now I can overclock. And overclock it to max. As you see, everything's faster. But if I add a second one, let me just make sure this isn't affecting my power. Oh yeah, I need to disconnect some things for some time. This thing is the whole thing. Connection. Oh, I'm sorry. Now how to... Okay, yeah. Alright, well, I just disconnected everything. which means just controlling one thing. It looks good. I think I might be able to add a second overclock to it. And now I've made a second one. I'm about to go super mode, supercharged. And doop. Okay, that increased just like that. I'm running absolutely nothing but this, and things are running faster. Obviously, I don't have any more. But this is actually just the basics. There's an actual powerful one, but I need one of the yellow slugs. But it also means I'm going to have to get the hazmat suit. Because as you can see, we know exactly where one of them is, right over there. But look around it. That's the problem. Can't go over there. All this has been disconnected for the time being. I'll remove overclock once it's done. And maybe do overclock later when I need it. But this is actually going a lot faster, as you can see. 4 per minute now. I'll be back once this is completely done. Now,
if there's any extras.
Alright, I'm back. This is now done. Just 1 second, go make sure that's perfectly good. Alright. Now, everyone, you'll be able to see the space elevator being used for the first time in this playthrough. I can do it from anywhere. Do this. Seal. Send. Alright. And the space elevator is active. Phase 2's a lot harder. But I also have access to new items now. Well, new, whatever it's called. Just adjust my mic. But now I can disable overclocked. And re-enable everything. I've fully removed overclocked. And I shall now reconnect this. Reconnection. I did this right? It connected everything back up. Right? Did something get disabled? Okay, I think it was because I just disabled everything. Well, I disabled the overclocked. Alright. Now that's solved. Like I said, I want to finish tier 1. So we'll completely finish tier 1 now. I need this. And then we'll need this entire stack right here. And now I just need 200 concrete. As you can see, this is quite expensive. Go crate with concrete and wait, wrong thing. And we have completed my entire goal for this video.
Milestone reached. You have unlocked several structures.
'Cause
ready to
I
provide the first
looked
move
at
to build
this.
basic factory infrastructure
These
in
are
Build-
quite expensive if you think about it. And some of these things I do not have that much of. Wire and stuff. Don't have much of this. But it's also becoming lunchtime around my time now, as you can see. I'm gonna have to end the video here. We did get everything I want to get done. I want to complete all of Tier 1. I want to get to Phase 2 of the space elevator, if I can look at it. There. Yep, and that's all I really want to do. I didn't anticipate on doing some of the overclocked stuff. Not yet, at least, but now I did it because that stuff is quite slow. It's gonna need its whole own power system if I'm to set up something like that, which means I need nuclear power. Also, there's something new that's been is now here. To select milestone, coal power and basic steel production. Oh yeah, this stuff. And there's also tier 4 stuff. Miner Mark 2, a bunch of this stuff. Xeno Basher, it's another thing. It's a extra hand slot, so I can have 2 things in hands at once. 3 extra inventory slots. Hypertubes, this is a whole thing. And logistics. Power storage, ooh, that's something oh yep, bigger storage. Yeah, pipelines and stuff. Though we do not have access to this stuff until we pass state elevator phase 2. But in the next video, I intend to get coal power up and running. Coal. Need that as soon as possible. But what else is it in it? Oh yeah, it gives me water access, a fluid buffer, a scanner upgrade, a pipeline pump, water extractor, and a coal generator. I want to have the coal generator next to the water extractor, because the water doesn't go far. So I'm going to select this milestone and we'll complete it the next episode. So that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below things that I may not know about this game if you've played it before, and anything else that I should know. So have a good rest of your days and see you in the next video. Goodbye.